Lelit Espresso Machine Review. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The Lelit Anna Espresso Machine is an inexpensive Italian home espresso machine with characteristics that compete with those in higher price categories. It is almost amazing the versatility this machine provides for this amount. Notable features include an exterior of brushed stainless steel, a PID panel, and a heating element of 1000 watts, all packed in a smaller footprint. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. PID Boiler Temperature Controller allows the temperature of the boiler to be programmed for different coffees. Number 2. 1000 watt heating element for quicker reaction time when cold water enters the boiler. Number 3. External manometer, or brew pressure gauge, to check in real time the brew pressure created by the resistance created by the coffee grind fineness, the tamping pressure, and the amount of ground coffee in the basket. Number 4. The professional multi-directional steam wand that enables you to prepare creamy cappuccinos. Number 5. 250 ml brass boiler helps keep a constant water temperature and facilitate the espresso coffee extraction. Please note that during an espresso extraction, the incoming cold water will reduce the temperature in the PID display. This is normal, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.